sad observer.
Wait! Get him! Yeah.
Yung tao dito sa side na to, ang pale masyado siyang maputi.
The pale image of a little girl in white can be seen sadly watching them from the creek's edge. Oscar claims that there was no little girl there when they filmed the original video. At least, not that they could see. A walk in the woods. This next video was sent in to me by a viewer. He says that the video was recorded by his brother Carlos, who would often film himself on hiking treks.
Speaking of meron yung pinsan ko dati, medyo matagal na sa Mawake. Pinikyoran siya ng tita ko. And then, nung lumabas yung picture, merong isang bata doon sa likod niya. Pero take note guys, walang tao doon. Sabi ng tita ko, silang dalawa na.
Through the forest of El Mascal, a rural area of Barcelona, Spain. This video was recorded in 2016. Carlos has not gone on a nighttime hike ever since.
Diyan papasok yung kasabihan na huwag kang matakot sa multo, matakot ka sa totoong tao na kaya kang patayin. Kayo guys, tama ba yung ginagawa niya? Nagtago siya, pero nakasindi yung flashlight. Tama ba yun? Hindi nga siya kita naman yung ilaw niya na nag-illuminate sa gabi. Big brain man, big brain dapat.
So, what do you think?
Ayo guys, is it a ghost or a hoax? Comment down below.
You decide. A man and his wife move to a new house in the wilderness in Bradford, Pennsylvania. He decides to record a video to send back to his family in California to show them their new place. But he catches something that he didn't expect.
We're right beside in the tree way up there.
A lion.
Look,
Where?
the dark part of it. Yeah.
There's the bonfire. Whoa. That was weird. I just saw something run across the screen.
You liar.
What about who stopped this?
I don't know, baby.
No, it was like a shadow. When I stopped it.
A strange mist that almost looks like running legs comes out of nowhere and disappears behind a bush. Is this something paranormal or just some bizarre natural phenomenon?
Natural phenomenon. Medyo ganito pa ako sa natural phenomenon. Yes? Yeah, probably. Dahil siya nakita niya yung babaeng kasama niya, hindi niya napansin na may ganun. Nakita ng video, nakita rin ng mahawak ng camera.
Deja vu. Two guys on a motorcycle are riding along a lonely back road toward the city of Uti, India, when they spot something a bit strange along the road. You don't really need to understand their words to hear just how freaked out they are. As they continue down the road, they calm down a bit, but then this. And there the video just sort of cuts out. Now some viewers think that the writer's terrified reactions make the video seem very real. But what do you think? How would you react to repeatedly seeing this on the road?
Kung totoo yan guys, tapos ako nakita ko yun. Nakasagasaan ko. Kaya ko. Pero kayo guys, ano ba? So tingin, is it a ghost or a hoax?
DX does a very creepy paranormal and ghost hunting series called Chasseur de Fantôme, which in English simply translates to Ghost Hunter. In the series, he travels around to remote locations in France to investigate reports of haunted locations and paranormal activity. In this episode, Goose X spends the night in a haunted house where the owners describe multiple disturbing occurrences. Water puddles in the floor, even though there is no rain or leaks. Things go missing around the house only to show up later in odd
Feeling ko may umiihi lang dun. Hindi nila napapansin.
locations. Doors can be heard opening and closing on their own. Strange voices call out in the night. And loud footsteps can be heard pacing the halls and clambering up.
Sa totoo lang guys, ako personally may mga experiences na rin ako ganito. Meron ibang nakikita ako talaga. Pero mas kinakatakutan ko is yung tunog. Takot ako kapag naririnig ko. Tapos wala naman. Kasi hindi ako sure. Hindi ako sure kung multo yun or masasamang tao. Ano lang, share ko lang. Kayo guys, saan kayo takot? Sa naririnig ba o sa nakikita nyo din? Comment down below.
Up the attic steps. Goose X spends the night in a bedroom right beside the attic stairs.
C'est chaud là quand même. Putain. T'as l'impression que quelqu'un marche dans les escaliers quoi.
Ngayon bagay, sasabihin nyo yun. Magtatawag kayo kung may tao ba dyan. E paano kung sumagot? Yes. Ganun.
Je vous entends marcher.
After hearing loud footsteps on the attic stairs, Goosty X opens the door to find nothing. He checks, but no one is in the
Kung may chance na mangyari yung mga ganito ulit sa akin or sa atin, kung kanino man, maganda maging prepared. Hindi natin alam kung multo ba yun or mga masasamang tao. So, magdala kayo ng mga panlaban para sa kanila. Hindi sapat yung naririnig kita, ganun bagay pa.
house. When he climbs the stairs, he finds that the attic light is on, even though that he's certain that he turned all the lights off before bed. Goosty X has no idea what caused the loud
Pwedeng nakalimutan lang yan. Kasi may ganun talagang instances na kala natin, napatay natin, pero bukas pa rin pala siya.
footsteps on the stairs. So, if you speak a little French, you can check out the rest of the ghost hunting series over on the YouTube channel.
Nag-aaral na ako ng French para mapanood to. Alright, so yun lang ang sa videos natin for today. So comment down below guys kung may experiences kayo tungkol sa mga nakakatakot or may mga suggestion kayo na gusto nyong panoorin or i-reaction natin, no? So thank you guys. Please like, share, and comment dito sa baba. I appreciate that one. So thank you again for watching and peace out.